Welcome, student. Let us continue with this first lesson, local time and standard time. So, we have to measure local time and standard time with the help of Earth's rotation. So, here is the first point, that is the geographical explanation. So, while measuring the local time and standard time, we have to use the rotation period of the earth. So, here uh, the longitude that lies in India uh, is ahead of the time uh, at that longitude, while those lying to the west are behind. Uh, as the distance between the longitude increases, their local times also start differing. If we multiply the difference between longitudes in a degrees by 4 minutes, then difference in the respective local times can be calculated. The difference in longitude can be known with the help of the globe or map. So, here is the map. One minute. Okay. Where is the map? Here is the map. This is the Greenwich line, and here are the times. Okay, noon in the Greenwich line, there is a time of afternoons 12 o'clock, and in America it is New Orleans, where it is a morning 6 o'clock, while uh, in India at Patna it is evenings 6 o'clock, and at the Tokyo it is the night's period. So there are different times at the different places. So it creates a confusion. It creates a confusion about the time. So to eradicate this confusion, there is a mean time, that is the Greenwich Mean Time, are created. So now uh, in India, uh, due to its largeness, the time or differs in Gujarat, while there is a difference time in Assam or Nagaland. So to it makes the confusion about the standard time in a country, that is the single time which country have to follow. So to we must get the geographical explanations about the time. So so let us read that point. Here is the picture, okay, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. The distance from east to west is about 3000 kilometer, while it is in a degrees, it is from 68 degrees time to east to 97 degree 25 to east, and north south, at the north it is 37 degrees 6 north up to 8 degree to the south, okay. And the standard time is 82 degree 13 east. So so let us have an explanations about the geographical explanations about the India in the degrees, okay. Both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India but at the different longitude. Their local times differs by an 1 hour. If there are different local times within a country because of the longitudinal differences, then there will be lack of synchronization in the routine activities in the country. If each one follows their local time, discrepancies emerge in carrying out the daily business in the country. Therefore, generally the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country deemed to be the standard time for that countries. This standard time is used all over the country. So here India is a large country, so it includes the many degrees of longitude. So the time period in the country differs at the different places, and it creates the confusion about the time. So to eradicate this confusion of the countries about the time, there is a common longitude in which is passes through the middle of the country is considered as a standard time for the country. with respect to business at a uh, global level, there should be a compatibility between the standard times of the various countries. To facilitate this, the world has been divided into 24 times zone. These time zones have been created with the reference of the prime meridian itself. So Greenwich line. Normally, if the difference between longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time considered for the country. But the longitudinal extent is to west. But if the longitudinal extent from east to west is more than that, then one standard time is not enough. In such countries, more than one standard time zones are considered. Such countries like the Brazil have a two standard time zone due to its largeness or extent from two longitude lines. Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time, that is IST, has been decided according to the 82 degree 30 east longitude, which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, that is Prayagraj. This longitude passes through the middle of the country with the reference to the longitudinal extent. So the standard time which is recognized on the 82 degree 30 times east longitude. The longitude passes through the middle of the country with the reference of longitudinal extent. The local time at these longitudinals has been selected as the standard times of the whole country. When the sun is directly overhead of this longitude, then it is assumed that it is at 12 noon everywhere in India. There is no difference from more than 1 hour between. Here is the distance from east to west and north to south. Okay. Here is the Indian Standard Time of this line, considered as a Indian Standard Time meridian. Here is Prayagraj. Okay. And this is the Tropic of Cancer. This is 23 degree 30 time. Okay. So, Universal Standard Time. For an international coordinations between countries, the local time at the Greenwich Mean Time in England is considered to be the international standard time. So the prime meridian is go through this Greenwich city. The difference in the standard time of the various countries are calculated with the reference of GMT, that is the Greenwich Mean Time. The Indian Standard Time is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of the GMT. If it is 5 p.m., then Greenwich Greenwich then in India it would be the 10:30 p.m. So here in this table there is a astronomical observatories, that is Jantar Mantar. Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II, the king of Jaipur, Rajasthan, was great astronomer, mathematician and architect. He built five astronomical observatories called Jantar Mantar at Ujjain, Varanasi, Jaipur, Delhi and Mathura. The one at Mathura doesn't exist today, but one can visit the other four. Even today, one can know the exact time up to seconds through shadow. Jantar Mantar do not only the house sundial, but there are a complete astronomical observatories. One can observe the sky from here too. With the help of instruments at Jantar Mantar, it is still possible to see astronomical observations after the advent of the modern instrument are more of a cultural heritage. So here is the picture of Jantar Mantar where it calculates the time and period even in a seconds through the this structure. The NPL means National Physical Laboratory, National Institute of Standard and Technology, an institute in the United States of America, has developed the most accurate clock in the world. Clock have to be adjusted by 1 second added once in a 20 million years. In India, the National Physical Laboratory in India and at New Delhi gives a service of the accurate time keeping. Clocks used here are accurate up to 1 lakh per second. As the accurate time is required for the space research, artificial satellite launching, these clocks are used in these activities. So in ancient India also, their times are calculated, which are very much accurate. Okay, so there are Ghatika, Nimish. These are the calculations of the being time. Okay, so here we completed this lesson of local and international time. Student, you have to write down the exercise and send me a photograph. Okay.